back to another video for, what is it, Crazy Club Cuisine Week. We are on Amaya Explains It All, and today I'll be explaining on how to make some cupcakes. So as you see, we have cake mix. But you know what? We're gonna ditch the cake mix and we're gonna do it from scratch. Homemade cupcakes from scratch. So if you wanna know, stay tuned. Awesome, so I am here with my friends Bronwyn and
but I was so close to Canada. I'm like, I can't quit now. I have.
Before we start baking, we want to wash our hands. I'm gonna put my hair up just for sanitary reason. I don't want to get my hair in the food, and then I'm gonna wash my hands after that. So BRB. I pre-prepped everything, but I'll just go over what we got. So we have milk, sugar, confectioner's sugar, aka powdered sugar. That's for when we make the buttercream. All-purpose flour, 2 eggs, butter, baking powder. We're not using baking soda. Sprinkles so we can mimic that funfetti vibe. And then I have some toppings: M&Ms, cookies and cream, Hershey, chocolate, nerds, and vanilla. Pre-measured everything. So let's give it a go. In a separate bowl, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients first. And I'm going to put my flour in there. I'll put it in the description, but it's half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And as you can see, there's what's left are clumps, right? So I'm just gonna kind of take my hand and break it down. If you don't have a sifter, you can also just put these in there. And so a lot of it got on my hands now. You can put these in there and just whisk it until it's not clumpy, but I decided to sift it because that's what the video I watched said. We will need half a cup of butter, so that's a whole stick. The rule of thumb or the pro tip here is that you want your butter to be room temperature, so you can set it out an hour before you do it. That's the advice I heard. Room temperature, so soft but not like runny. My vanilla, sugar, which was 3/4 cup. So this is what 3/4 cup came out to be. And then I'm going to whisk it. Alright, so we got our butter, sugar, vanilla mixture to a good consistency. So we're gonna start adding our eggs 1 egg at a time. I already kind of did that. I already kind of cracked my eggs beforehand. Have your time to shine. Okay. We want about a 1/4 cup into the 10s because we don't want to fill them all the way up to the top. Learned that as a kid when I learned to start making cupcakes, that they will rise and you don't want them overflowing because it makes a mess and it comes out a little less pretty. Our cupcakes are filled. They're not beautiful yet. And so now our oven is preheated at 350, so we're gonna slide them in the oven. Again, parent supervision is needed. I also don't have any, what is that, like mitts, baking mitts. I'm gonna use a towel so I don't burn myself. And then these are gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees. You're gonna get them in the center to avoid burning yourself. Also, when taking them out, you wanna come to this side. 20 minutes. Start off camera. We had some extra whipping cream left over, so just in case our buttercream does not come out exactly how we want it, just made some whipped cream with heavy whipping cream and a mixer and confectioner sugar. Oh, time out, pause. That means our cupcakes need to be checked on. So obviously, not done. Checking cupcakes, wow, okay. Maybe they are done. Nope, fork didn't come out clean. Let's put them back in for 5 more minutes. Timer on for 3 minutes. So also I want to mention in your box, you guys get the dry ingredients along with vanilla extract, but you're gonna have to go out and get some butter, milk, and eggs. We are going to need room temperature butter, confectioner sugar or powdered sugar or icing sugar, but a little vanilla, and some milk. So it's 1 cup of butter, 3 cups of sugar. Oh, let's get started. First, our butter. Since we need a cup, we're gonna add the whole thing. Bacon things. Alright guys, so just because like I like to remix things a little bit, Jess pounded some Oreos for me. And it smells delicious. If you guys could smell it, you would love it. We have 12 cupcakes, so I guess we'll ice 4 of these with the Oreo, 4 with the whipped cream, and 4 with our plain butters. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a dozen cupcakes, aka 12 cupcakes. We got buttercream, Oreo buttercream, and some whipped cream, and of course some delicious little toppings to play around with. I realized like how my face was during that time I tasted it. You're like, what is she thinking? Is it good or is it not? It's delicious, actually. I would put something else inside the cupcakes though, just to make them a little bit more moisture. So I've seen a recipe where like the lady put like yogurt or sour cream. I didn't have that on hand. But there's a bunch of stuff you can put in to make your cupcakes moister. But also, I mean, it's not absolutely dry either. I just like really moist cupcakes. So look out for your summer boxes. You guys are gonna get a mason jar for the dry ingredients along with vanilla extract. And don't forget, you're gonna have to go and buy vanilla. No, you get vanilla. You're gonna have to go out and buy butter, eggs, and milk. So no biggie. Please like this video if you liked it. If you want to see more cooking videos, share it. Subscribe to our channel if you want to just for more of our content. And also like email me ideas on what to do, and send me send me pictures or post pictures and hashtag them so we can see how your cupcakes turned out, because I really want to know. I want to know how y'all's cupcakes turned out. I know what mine taste like, but I want to know what y'all's cupcakes taste like. So let us know, and I'll have a great summer. Have fun. Bye guys.